Hey everyone, Andrew Heffley here with Precision Line Window Washing and Soft Washing, as well as CleanBinPros.com. Today we're going to be showing you how we sanitize and deodorize these nasty, stinky trash bins, and boy, it is time. Before we get into that though, I just want to make mention about something. You know, if you have family or you're in here cooking and whatnot, you got to think about what is actually going into these things. You know, we learned in the last couple of years about how important it is to be, clean and to wash our hands often throughout the day because of the germs and how they can linger, and how, of course, they have the effects, residual effects, not only on us, but people around us. So these trash bins, you're in there, for instance, you're cooking a meal, you're cutting off those pieces, extra pieces of meat, some pieces you don't want. Luckily we are around here. See, it's raining right now on me a little bit, which is actually a pretty good day. We don't mind the rain, but we're lucky we got plenty of woods. Sometimes we just throw that stuff out for the critters to grab, but sometimes it goes in the trash bin. And while that's sitting in there, say for a week before you have trash pickup, that stuff is creating diseases. And if you're handling this stuff, you can get sick off of that. You have to think about that. If you have a family, I couldn't tell you how many diapers over the years we put into these things. Think about E. coli. So that's something to consider, something I want to make mention about. You take the stuff out there, you bring it back. It's not like you're wearing gloves. Maybe some of you are, but I never gave it much thought. You walk into home, you wash your hands off, but you done touched all the doorknobs on the way, and who knows what else you stopped at. So you have to constantly be keeping on top of that. But anyway, something to think about. A lot of our clients, they like to get these things clean once a week. If you want a free no obligation quote, definitely contact us. We'd be more than happy to come out and talk with you and get you set up on a schedule. Without further ado, let's jump into it.
Excellent. So here we are. We're going to prep up the trash bins, get any excess debris, trash that's in there that we can just grab with our hands. We're spraying on our sanitizer and deodorizer. This pink purple wash that you see is the deodorizer. That smells good, smells like apples. Really awesome stuff. That stuff's going to make it smell great in between the cleans. So we detail this out. We spray the inside, we spray the outside, and we hit the inside again. Go through, hit the all four sides, make sure we hit those wheels. And focus in on those lids too. A lot of people will miss those lids, not think twice about it, but we really want to make sure we get those lids. I had a little trouble with that trash bin there. See, I had to flip it a couple times. Hit the inside again. We're doing a rinse off now. We're rinsing all this sanitization and deodorizer off, and then we come through, and once we clean all that off, we go ahead and rinse everything off the ground, get all those suds off of there. And there you have it.
All right, everyone, there you have it. We done cleaned our trash bins out. We've sanitized them. We deodorized them. They are ready to rock and roll. They smell great. They look clean. They are clean. It's great stuff. You may have noticed the purple coming out of our spray wand there. That's actually an apple wash that we use. That's our detergent. That smell good detergent. And we kind of kick that on a little heavy, so that way it really gets into the pores of these trash cans, and that way it'll last a little longer, especially for any of our clients. You may like to do this as well, but any of them that like to go ahead and jump on and take care of the weekly cleans, that will last. That's the idea behind it. Kind of like those trash liners you buy at the store. It smells good. Same concept. So we like to kick that on heavy, get in deep to those pores, make that nice apple wash last a while, and turns out great. You see, we go ahead and clean out the sides of it. We take these lids, clean the top of those lids off real good. We get on the inside real good. Sometimes you throw these things open, throw them open, you don't even think about it. So you got to make sure you pay attention to that. See all that gunk that was kicked on the bottom? It's all gone. It's not there any longer. So we get in there and pull that up. Trash guys and gals can't really help it if the stuff gets stuck on there. As a homeowner, you just have to kind of deal with it. So when we come in, weekly to do your trash bin cleaning, we get that stuff out. Anything that comes out of the trash bins, we take with us. We don't leave it back at the homeowner's property, at your home, or back in your trash cans. We take it away for you. So we do that courtesy on that. Yeah, we get into the nooks and crannies of this thing. We really get the nice deep clean for you. It's a soft wash system, so there's no damaging pressure. And then we go ahead and we turn that off when we're done, and then we have just the water running, and we rinse everything off. Gets it nice and clean, smells good, smells fresh. So that's it. If you'd like to have your trash bins clean, get a free no obligation quote, and give us a call at 870-227-0236, or simply somewhere around this video will be a link that you can click. Send us a message. A screened and approved representative will be out to reach you. We'll reach out to you and set up your free no obligation quote. Come out and take a look at your home, see what all cleaning you need, and get you on a schedule. You can also visit CleanBinPros.com, where you can set up your address pay for your membership however you'd like to do it, one time, monthly. You can even pay a yearly membership and get it up to $90 off on that. So, without further ado, that's what we got. Appreciate your time. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you're watching this video on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe if you wouldn't mind, and you'll be able to see all our other cleans that we're going to be coming out with and showing you throughout the season. We're going to be amping up our videos like crazy. It's going to be a big focus this season and from here on out. Again, my name is Andrew Heffley with Precision Line Window Washing and Soft Washing, as well as CleanBinPros.com. Thank you for your time. Have an exceptional day, and talk soon.